Hey guys, welcome to the world of cool. I'm extra smiling because this video is not for you, but for me. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the UX581G by ASUS and it's lovingly called the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo. So what you're seeing here is a Core i9 processor. What you're seeing here is 32 gigabytes of RAM. What you're seeing here is an RTX 2060, that's GDDR6 of RAM. And what you will see here is a dual 4K screen. That's why mostly everyone in the world is noticing this laptop. But what you're not seeing here right now is what's inside the bag, and that's precisely what I'll do. I know, get scissors, get paper cutters, or at least grow some nails and whatnot, but I really wanted my desperation, to come out as natural as possible. Let's continue. So you get two boxes inside. That probably is what has the charging case and whatnot, and this of course is the laptop. But we're slowly moving towards a world of foldables, so one day that might be the laptop and this might be goodies. I don't know. Let's get started. So when you open this flap, the laptop lifts. That's also got to do with the ergonomic lift design that it comes with. So that's the laptop. All of the major specs that I just told you about, they've made sure that you don't forget them. So it's, like that. What you also get inside the box some paper doc. Yeah. I mean, it's a document on how to charge your laptop. And this is general walkthrough of what all your laptop has. One very good thing, because it has two touch screens, ASUS is also giving away this stylus in pen note thingy, and I've had a tiny little experience with this, and it's good. It's fun. Why I prefer this stylus is because then I don't have to leave finger stains, or I can just. Plus also it's fun writing with a pen. Oh, good thing ASUS is also shipping this hand rest, palm rest thing with the laptop. It effortlessly slides in here, and since this laptop has a keypad which is right up till the edge, all you have to do is just slide it here and you're good to go. Oh, why not I give you a very quick review of this device. Haha, very funny. How is the bill a review of this device? That means I actually paid my own hard-earned money to buy this device. That's an intentional pause. I want you to think about it. So I could have asked the brand for, a loaner device to do this video and whatnot, but I already know a lot about this device. I mean, I was one of the first ones in the country, I guess, that got to play with it when it was still in development phase. and I've been impressed with this device ever since. So when it started appearing on, you know, offline channels, yeah, this is one of the first gadgets that I bought offline as well. So that's something special as well. So I bought it for myself. That's one of the main reasons why I also did not hide my address in the bill. I'm not scared. I actually did buy it. Even if this video is going to be considered to be sponsored, it's sponsored by Nikita Valla. She's my wife. This is a gift from her to me. And here it is, the charger. The power cable, and I guess that's about it. So I'm gonna end this video with a beauty shot of everything laid down, and what I'm gonna commit to you is more and more videos. Now I have an editing machine, a proper editing setup, so more and more videos. Earlier, the only bottleneck in my process was I didn't have a proper laptop to edit on, and again, I shoot raw. I shoot 1080p RAW, I shoot 4K RAW. So Blackmagic, Google it. Heavy codec, heavy files, heavy workflow, heavy editing process. But now I have something that can handle all of it. So on that note, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to this channel, because where else do you hear such heavy duty terms? Blogging with a Blackmagic camera, editing on an Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, working raw. Just here, so subscribe. And I'll see you again on the World of Cool.